Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you important questions for NEET aspirants. Previous year asked questions on the topic diseases and human health. Diseases और human health के पिछले सालों में जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को मैं आपके लिए डिस्कस कर रही हूँ. कृपया ध्यान दें. Amoebic dysentery is caused by Amoeba proteus, Plasmodium vivax, Taenia solium, and Amoeba histolytica. The correct option is Ant Amoeba histolytica, right? The correct option is Ant Amoeba histolytica. The next one, Ant Amoeba gingivalis is parasitic in human gums, intestine of man, liver of sheep, stomach of man. Ant Amoeba gingivalis is parasitic in human gums. Sleeping sickness in man is caused by Leishmania, Plasmodium, Trypanosoma, and amoeba. The correct option is Trypanosoma. Malignant tertian malaria is caused by Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum. The correct option is Plasmodium p falciparum, right? A vector host is a disease transmitting host, natural reservoir host, human parasite host, pathogenic protozoan. The correct option is vector host is a disease transmitting host. African sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma gambians and transmitted by Glossina palpalis, Plasmodium vivax and transmitted by TT fly, and Amoeba gingivalis and transmitted by housefly, Trypanosoma leaci and transmitted by bedbug. The correct option is Trypanosoma gambians and transmitted by Glossina palpalis. Next one, oil of Chenopodium is used in malaria, typhoid, tuberculosis, ascariasis. The correct option is ascariasis. Vauchiria bancrofti is transmitted by sandfly, ttfly, Anopheles mosquito, Culex mosquito. The correct option is Culex mosquito. Filariasis is caused by Taenia solium, Fasciola hepatica, Ascaris lumbricoides, Vauchiria bancrofti. The correct option is Vauchiria bancrofti. Human beings become infected with Ascaris lumbricoides through contaminated food, soil, and drinking water, inhalation of dust, contact with an infected person, bite of Aedes mosquito. The correct option is contaminated food, soil, and drinking water. Kala Azar and Oriental Shore are diseases spread by sandfly, housefly, louse, bedbug. The correct option is sandfly. Trypanosomiasis is spread by louse, sandfly, ttfly, mosquito. The correct option is ttfly. The next one is bubonic plague is transmitted through the bite of Xenopsilas geopes, Pediculus humanus, Glossina palpalis, Aedes aegypti. The correct option is Xenopsila geopes. Just as Culex is to be elephantiasis, so is rat flea to bubonic plague and amoeba to dysentery, pork to tapeworm, sandfly to sleeping sickness. Correct option is rat flea to bubonic plague. Disease spread by bedbug is typhoid, trench fever, yellow fever, typhus relapsing fever. The correct option is typhus relapsing fever. In herpes virus, DNA is double-stranded, single-stranded, maybe single or double-stranded. None of the above is correct. The correct option is A, that is double-stranded. Which of the following disease is caused by virus? TB, that is tuberculosis, typhoid, diphtheria, polio. The correct option is typhoid. Smallpox is caused by virus, bacteria, housefly, fungi. Correct option is virus. Next one, in the virus responsible for AIDS is an example of a adenovirus, mosaic virus, T, T even virus, retrovirus. The correct option is retrovirus. Which of the following causes fatal neurological diseases in humans? Voiroid, prion, phage 5 into 174. The correct option is prion. Kuru, a human disease, is caused by virus, viroid, PPLO, prion. The correct option is prion. Which disease is caused by the bacterium Treponema pallidum? Gonorrhea, syphilis, hepatitis, conjunctivitis. Correct option is syphilis. All the following human diseases are caused by Spirocheles except syphilis, Lyme disease, food poisoning, tetanus. The correct option is tetanus. Gangrene is caused by Clostridium perfringens, Bacillus anthracis, E. coli, Treponema pallidum. Correct option is Clostridium perfringens. Botulism is a type of food poisoning caused by saprophytic Clostridium. Disease caused by Staphylococcus in man, waterborne disease of animals, none of these. The correct option, type of food poisoning caused by saprophytic Clostridium. Some diseases caused by bacteria are measles, mumps, malaria, tetanus, typhoid, tuberculosis, smallpox, sleeping sickness, syphilis, pneumonia, poliomyelitis, cytostasis. The correct option is B, tetanus, typhoid, tuberculosis. That's all for today. Again, we will meet in the next video with more questions. Thank you.